The Mai Tai Swizzle. Is it the missing link, the true predecessor or heir apparent to the tiki crown? And is it really the drink that was responsible for the Mai Tai feud? If you're interested, take a step into my office. Now, I'm not searching for sympathy here, but it's my birthday this week and I'm wondering if I can get away with pretending I'm below 35 still, especially since my metabolism is trying to give up on me after I've severely mistreated it for years. My hair is also going grey and going slightly thin on top, and it all started to go wrong when I remarked that some people I know who are younger than me have aged terribly. So don't jinx your fate, so I'm off to drown my sorrow in some tiki drinks. The ingredient lineup, brace yourselves. Jamaican rum, I've gone for Appleton Estate 8 year, Cuban rum, absinthe, Cointreau, velvet Falernum, Angostura bitters, fresh lime juice and grapefruit juice, and I've been super lucky here and managed to get hold of a white grapefruit, which is like seeing a unicorn. We're going to kick this one off with 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of Jamaican rum. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of our Cuban rum. 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of Cointreau. 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5 ml of velvet Falernum. 6 dashes of the dangerous stuff, absinthe. 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Promise you we're nearly there. 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of fresh grapefruit juice. And lastly, 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and shake for 10 to 12 seconds. Now on to the history. Don Beach added this drink to the Don the Beachcomber bar menu in Hollywood around 1933. The Trader Vic Mai Tai, as we know it, was created by Vic Bergeron around 1944. Other than the namesake, Mai Tai apparently means good in Tahitian, but taste-wise, these are not similar drinks. It is rumoured, however, that Trader Vic's Mai Tai was potentially based on another of Don Beach's drinks, the QB Cooler, which I'll cover in a later video. I'm going to pour this unstrained into a glass half full of pebble ice, then I'll keep topping up with more pebble ice. You can use crushed ice as well. Then I'm going to garnish with a pineapple and cherry on a pick, and then I'm going to finish this off with a mint bouquet. The taste test. I love most drinks Don Beach has created. This, however, is like an unfinished equation. There's a lot of hallmark Don Beach ingredients, the absinthe, the bitters, the Falernum, but a lot of them just don't go anywhere in my opinion. They're all hiding. It reminds me a bit of a dry fruit juice. I would definitely do the following if I was remaking this drink. I'd swap the Cointreau for Grand Marnier. I'd add at least 1/2 ounce of Demerara syrup, and then I'll cut the lime juice back to perhaps 1/4 ounce.